Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Renault Kadjar, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 1.5 dCi Dynamique S Nav, Euro 6, 2016 or 16 plate, really good family car, has done 58,550 miles, fuel economy, urban 67.3 miles per gallon, extra urban 74.3 miles per gallon, and combined is 72.4 miles per gallon. Has a top speed of 113 miles per hour out of a 4-cylinder 108 brake horsepower 8-valve engine. The fuel economy on this, it's just absolutely fantastic. I'm pretty sure you won't get 67 miles per gallon, but if you got 50, then I'd be over the moon with that. So it has power folding door mirrors, the chrome glass surrounds, aluminium roof bar carrier system. This one has the wind deflectors on it too, which obviously are an extra, rear privacy glass, the plastic side protective moulding with the chrome strip up the side, mud flaps, the plastic wheel arch protective moulding, multi-spoke diamond cut and dark silver alloys, kind of SUV design, so it's fairly high off the ground, nice and easy to get in, get your legs in, not dropping down too much. Great for elderly people like me. Nice design grille, nice sculptured bonnet too. Quite aerodynamic looking. It's a pretty good design, I would say. We've got front parking sensors, integrated rear tailgate spoiler just under here. You can find it. There's an electric boot release. Rear load cover, quite a nice deep boot there, and I think there's also an extra partition that you can hide stuff under. Nice clean lines at the back. Reversing sensors there, and it's kind of got a little diffuser thing going on there too. I'm comfortable in that front seat. And I've still got plenty of room in the back, so that's pretty good. You sit fairly high up, and I've still got yay much headroom. Seats are nice and comfortable. It's kind of I don't think it's proper leather, it's probably what they call vegan leather these days, with cloth interior. Really, really nice. Looks brown to me, so we've got the gold metallic outside and a little sort of hint of brown anyway on the inside on the upholstery. The rear centre armrest here, 2 cup holders, got carpet mats, lovely and clean inside as well. It's been well looked after, this. Okay, let's go for a ride. So there we go, that's the key. As I say, it's keyless go, so if we just put our foot on the clutch, press the button, and away it goes. Got the aircon on because it's a bit warm in here at the moment. Service history: 15th of the 2nd 2017 at 8,475 miles, Arnold Calrk. 26th of the 1st 2018 at 17,215 miles, Arnold Calrk. 2nd of the 5th 2019 at 27,718 miles, Arnold Calrk. 11th of the 1st 2020 at 32,033 miles, Arnold Calrk. 15th of the 12th 2020 at 34,772 miles, Arnold Calrk. 26th of the 1st 2021 at 36,016 miles, Arnold Calrk. 30th of the 10th 2023 at 49,285 miles, Adlington Garage Services. Away we go. Now it's in gear, the handbrake's on. If I set off like so, the handbrake comes off automatically. So that's a good system. Oh, we've got all the traffic coming now. manual box, 6-speed, nice easy gear change, clutch is reasonably light. We've got the half folding door mirrors. Let's come over my side much. In order to adjust your mirrors, click over there to the right. You've got this kind of joystick affair here, so I'll take that out like so, then click over to the left, and that's it. Put it back in the middle. That means I can't move anything. You've got your information display in the center. On the left is your coolant temperature, on the right is your fuel gauge. In the center you've got digital speedo, you've got rev counter on the outside, you have kind of an information display on the left round the circumference and also on the right. Now on the steering wheel you've got what looks like a picture of several pieces of paper. I click on there, that's adjusting or moving the display on the right hand side of the center display. All very complicated. So I'll click it again. That's bringing up information by the look of it. I can't tell what it is. Oh, that's good. That's music. That looks like horsepower and newton meters. So that's basically a waste of time. I mean, as far as a runabout goes, this is a great car. There's plenty of room for the family, and quite a big family as well in the back seat, because if you remember, I'm stretched out here. I've not moved my seat, and I had bags of room in the back. They're all out to get us today. We've got indicators on the left, we've got wipers on the right, and then just at the back here is the audio control, so I can change channels. I'll just turn it up, turn it on rather, turn it down, and then let's see, I'm turning the volume up there, I can turn it down. I don't know what that's doing. I don't even know why that display's on. Put the radio on. There we go. So from the wheel, I'm changing channel 2. And I can just select it like so. Reasonably good idea. Nice and easy to use. You've got your climate controls here. I've got it on low at the moment, just so I can see that better. Changing to 6, so I'm getting maximum fuel economy. Low direction of, there you go, I can change that to feet and windscreen, and just blowing out to the centre vents. Over here, front and rear electric windows. You see here, strange place to put it behind the handbrake, but you've got cruise control and speed limiter by the look of it. So if I click cruise control, well, I'll wait until I get round here. Good gear change. Nice drive. All sorts of mayhem around this roundabout. If you remember, I used to come this way and stop coming because it was nearly an accident every time I came this way. I used to call it Numbskull Roundabout. Telling me when to change gear there. There we go. So that's 69 miles an hour. I'm stuck behind this lorry, but I can go out and then switch the cruise control on. Cruise control. And then click up. I'm doing 64. We'll click it up till we get to 70. So that's set at 70. I'm fast approaching this guy who's not doing a desired speed. A young lad. That's unusual, isn't it? Right, so I can resume. Click on resume. Usual messing about until I decide to overtake him, and then speeds up. So again, back to 70. Just click on it. That's the cruise control on. I can slow down by doing so, clicking down. Can knock it off, just touch like so. Can resume, click the R. Good spec. Pretty quiet on the motorway. Nice and nippy. Just see if I can polarised glasses, they don't do well on a digital dashboard, to be fair. So at the bottom there, it's giving me a range of 150 miles at the moment. I click down, if I click down, current 49.4 miles per gallon, average 54.2 miles per gallon. That's bearing in mind the car's been ticking over while I've been videoing it as well, so it will have been doing a lot more than that. Fuel used 2.1 gallon, I don't know when that's from. It's actually done 58,509 miles and no messages memorised. It's really good. Just turn that on, turn it down. CO2's there, click on menu, navigation, multimedia, phone, apps, vehicle, system, we'll click on vehicle, parking assistance, parking sensors, front parking sensors on, rear parking sensors on. Why you wouldn't want them on? You can change the sound type and click back again. Let's driving assistance, parking assistance, driving CO2, onboard computer, take care, not sure what that looks like, tyre pressures, showing you tyre pressures all round. So all the equipment you need, and some you don't. Just got a couple of scratches on the passenger door which we need to touch in, but apart from that, looks like a nice bright car, nice and tidy inside, and just, you know, a workhorse really. A little woofs in the back there. All good, nice to drive. I can't find or feel anything wrong with it. Nice, good, economical family car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.